Let me tell you how much in tune and how much my energy level is up, that I'm receiving all types of insight. Now, it's funny that I was thinking about a customer of mine, a pizza store. When he doesn't see me, he usually calls me, right? And say, yo, I need my windows done. Are you still working? Where you at? So, usually when he calls, I come within a day or two, the very next day or the day after, because he's a good customer. He actually pays me a whole month in advance, this guy. So when you have people like that, you're going to keep those people happy. So I hadn't heard from him, and I was thinking it was due to this corona. But something told me to reach out to him. And I don't know why. Something imposed me, him, of all people. I didn't call anybody else, because everyone else stopped me anyway. But I hadn't heard from him, so I said, you know what, let me shoot him a text. You know what he told me? He was just going to call me to have me come and do the windows. He said, come today, and no one will be there. Meaning that he does a lot of catering, and there will be no one in my way. So we're going there today. Hey, on my way, we're going there today. And we're going to go clean some windows today. Y'all can come along. All right. We are here. You know what? Let me park on the other side, because a lot of their workers come in on this side to load up their trucks for delivery. Everyone's only doing delivery now, but he been doing delivery for a minute. And trust me, he delivers mad food. All right, let's hop into it. Yeah, so I had an impulse to reach out to him. And I said, let me know when you're ready to resume service. And he said, I was just going to call you. You see, my third eye, I've been keen to a lot of different things. And I said to the Lord, I said, I need money. So he made it a way for me to get money. And I did not know it was time to get paid at the job as soon as I got there. This is the first cleaning since, every 3 days I get paid. I mean, not every 3 days, every 3 cleanings. So this was the first cleaning. It's always on the first cleaning I get paid. And today was the first cleaning. Normally I have to wait to come back to get my money. But he had the money. He was already sitting down writing checks. It was almost like he meant it for me to get that money today. And that's $100 I could use. And now it went even further. Not only did I get free wings, and I'm about to chow down on it, smelled good. So he showed me his house and said he needs his windows done. Outstanding. He was like, man, I think I should get a Corona discount. Everyone else is giving out discounts because of the times, they're cutting prices in half and all this other stuff. I said, I ain't in the position to do that. He said, you know that guy that's on the bicycle? He cleans windows. This is what he's saying to me. I said, yeah. He said, where's he been at? I said, yeah, I still see him. He said, you know what he charged me? $15, because he was doing it before I did. But he hasn't seen him. At that price, I guess not. You know what I mean? You would get tired of cleaning it for $15. Some of you might see that video or have seen that video already, but it's on my one of my videos. Just log into it. I don't know what the title of it yet, because this video I haven't made it yet. I haven't uploaded it, but I made it. So he told me the guy charged him $15. Yeah, well, maybe I can believe that, but I said, listen, I said, when you're dealing with me, you're dealing with somebody who's high tech. You getting top of the line here. It's like Cadillac service, you know? And I said, you get what you pay for. Say that guy busts one of your neon signs up or trips and falls into one of the, through the window. And I said, I'm fully insured, baby. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.
remix. Tank, Stronger, an M.A.W. remix. Tank, Stronger, an M.A.W. remix.